na level 438 go. 1,000. Patay. Yari pa. Patay. Ba't kayo na? Ay, grabe. Marami na sa akin. Ay, hindi ako sabihin na. Panis. 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 May candy ka. Don't pick the wall. You're lying. You're lying. You're lying. You're lying. You say bingo. So you try bingo. Oh. Patay na yung karakter ko. Kaya kadamikat ko kaya tama ito. Nakabit ko ba na yun? Masarang marigal ako dyan ha. Ganda ko na ito. Ayun. Ba't ganun? Why? Tapos pwede lang naman. Why lang? Why? Ayan na nga. Ayan na nga. Sabi ko, kakaya nga yung dalawa dyan ha. Lang ha. Counted cream. Counted. Wala kayo. Lagi ka talaga. Ay, sa'yo. Papa ko, mali. Papa. Spoon. 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 Spoon jumper. What the funny? Guys, malapit na yun. Malapit na mag-November. 2 months na lang. Halloween. Oh, ikaw, excited ka na ba? Hindi ka pa yata excited eh. Ba't kanya-kanya mo? Holy moly. Holy moly. Pwede bang makyat dito? Bawal. Do you know, babe? Lang. Hotdog. Sana ikaw mauna. Sinasaktan ko ikaw. Wait, I get hurt. I hear you. Hindi siya hurt. Okay. Hindi na siya hurt. Kaya hindi na siya. Medyo na siya. Gusto lang pa kayo. Ano ito? Magpapirang naman dito. Plus kumulong, plus sailong. Plus sailong. Ano, kinakamper guys. Okay dyan, may nakamper. Oo, may hacker, may hacker. Huwag ka dito pumunta ng hacker ka. Bawal kasi dito ang hacker. Kala ko siya sheriff. Hindi pala sheriff. Pagkiram na agad magkampat. Yaya lang yata yan ang kuya niya. Tuklan. Bullet. Ba't puro innocent? Ay, lilipat ako sa barnicid. Bahala ka. Sa rating. Basta game na. Lilipat ako sa okay. Ngayon, si Another. Umaga na kayo dito kasi umaga na. Kanina po tayo nagkaroon ng mga dito. Okay. Maging sa ICS, ICAM, Ano? Hindi naman ako kung ano ba ang ba yan? Wow! Gusto mo, maganda ka na sa akin. Gusto mo, pangit. Wag lang. Ay, di pala yung sinalbo. Ay, di pala yung Nakura ka ba yan? Diyan ka. Diyan ka po. Bata ka po dyan. Pangit kasi.
had this hair on, she won't stop yapping. I'm going to turn my mic on and yell at her or something. I wish I had my admin command. They don't have my commands. So hopefully I can play. Here we go.
Last game na. Sige, last game na lang to. Ilipat na talaga akong server ni
She tried to do with her face. Outfit. I totally agree. That was really fun.
Ako, sabi ko nga. Oh, ito, burger. Alam mo, hotdog. Pinamaga ko na. Anong oras na kayo? 6:14 na. Ah, hotdog. Kala mo. Saan ko nakid yung hotdog? Yan. Hotdog.
Maybe the face will make
Diba?
you can't see. Give me something good. Okay. Not bad. Now for accessories.
Different. Adi.
I had bands. We maybe pull the bangs back. Okay. Essentially not. Time for the third step. You know, this would have actually been an even
Mo Adi. Mo Adi. Mo Adi. Mo Adi. Mo Adi. No, OMG. Okay. Tingin ko baka makailan ako dito Saan ka dyan? Kala ko, hindi ako to eh. Oo, kamukha siya ng karakter ko dati. Hindi ka nag-video, tinitig ko na. Ngayon lang, video na ako. Yung kamay mo, Ricardo daw yung lang. Joke lang. Ilipat na ako server lang. Let's go.
Actually getting second place. Oh my god, wait. My outfit's like kind of ate though. Let's see if I can make a better outfit. Turn you around. Yeah, mermaid back. Oh, this one I already know I'm gonna fail at. Miserable. Because like, what if it lands on freaking like a mini skirt? Like, no siren's gonna be wearing that. Let's start off with the bottom. Not bad. Top. Give me something good. No, I'm kidding again. I am not wearing that dumb heart shirt again. Well, I feel like I should have. Alright, let's put this one on. Okay, not bad.
Bored.
Alright,
Bored. Bored.
that
Wing.
actually works. Alright, for the face. Okay. Okay. You don't even see the freaking bell.
Mahina. Mahina. Pakalaki.
Let's think of it.
Sa'yo, ganito. 2,000. 260. 1,736. 3,993. 9,325. 2,031. Mahina ka pala! Ah!
Trains with extra milk. Guys, I think we're cooking. This smells so
Ah!
good. Only if I got
Teka, sabi ko ano, ililipat akong server. Ba't napunta na naman ako dito? Kailangan. Napawag nito, dalawa-dalawa lang.
do not laugh. Adorable. Don't jump into
Nikilis! Maya!
and girl actually a good outfit. We're gonna give you three.
Bigyan niyo naman ako. Kung narihingan. Kahit isang madalan lamang. Pwede na yun.
There's no way it's gonna go downhill from here. Favorite
Ako.
pants or skirt?
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
We'll make it work. Okay, that's actually heels, sneakers, heels, not shoes. Air boots, okay. Last but not least, okay. You know,
Ang bago tayo nito.
Ten seconds. Second. All right, I'm first up. I actually did pretty good. I like
Nerd. Ikaw daw, binabalag ka eh.
I don't really know what that was. Was that?
Ay, murder! Takbo ka na, bata!
What did I get? Oh. People who won this
Me!
on that note, what's up?
Me! Me! Yeah! I talk to you! I'm attacking you! Me! I'm attacking you! I'm attacking you!
2020 era, so we
Parang
for bangs and like
ang guys ngayon, may bagyo.
really the butcher Dora bang face
Kung kayo nakatira, kung kayo nakatira, kaya kaya.
the one thing I can say
Iyo,
is I have now
babahain kayo.
for accessories give me a book please.
This neneng, neneng.
And number two, what am I gonna do with basketball? X-Men. This one's probably the worst outfit.
Paano mo?
Give me shoes, not heels. Thank you. I don't want to wear a dress. We could spin for one. I'm gonna do it. I can't.
Sabi ko sa itsura niya, bumangit
I'm gonna
lalo.
say I'm strawberry cow. This is perfect, guys. This is my opportunity. I'm sorry.
Likilis ako. Makikita lang. Lilipat na talaga akong server. Ba't kasi ako bumabalik dito sa server niyo? Bulok. Si. Me brother. Me. Me. May bahan niya ako dito. Sino? May ganito ba kayo?
Thank you, Bill. I love you. All right, top.
Me. Nakakabis yung dating Pasko eh. Yung 2022. Yung 2022 pala. Ano yun?
Why do I keep saying freaking door? Well, take me, don't give me fucking face.
Tantan. Oh, ganun.
Plus, you don't need to work and only get more expensive.
Abo na, bata! Abo na! Wow. Abo na, sabi ko na abo na ba eh.
On to the shoes. Not bad, not complaining about the shoes. We're gonna have to spin for first. Okay, that's okay. Let's start coloring everything.
Di ba na talaga ako sa pag dito
I
na
think for
dito?
the top, we just do black and we'll do square black. This one. And then for the heels, I think we're gonna make them even higher and make them all black. This would have been good if I didn't have freaking wings on. This one's so good. My 93-year-old millionaire husband's death is so sad. I'm sure it looks like you bought a lot of designer with that. Here is me. I think I look okay. You know what? I want to do something. Winners are. How did I get third with freaking wings? Me and the wheels have a love-hate relationship. You know, we had some good outfits and we had some bad outfits. But overall, we didn't do too bad. Comment down below on how I did.
Ew, ugly. How delicious. You don't have to.
I'm a little bit careful. I am Look, I'm going to You're enriching. Looking like the minerals. This is not a famous Royal High. I researched this game a bit on TikTok and came to the conclusion that this may be.
Yung kalbo, kalbo yan di ba, te? Nagpapalaro yan eh. Tapos namimigay ng gaji. Ano yan, te? Naka-laptop? Naka-cellphone lang, no? Di siya marunong mag-cellphone. Sila pag cellphone, no? Hindi na lang oras. Yan, tapos natin. So, susunod na. Ganyan pa rin. Camper. Hotdog. Camper. So, mahirap yan, guys. Camper. Hindi nakatabi yun. Hindi reality. Pero,
Hello sa mga baby, ako nga pala si Bahay. Takot ako sa horror game pero maglalaro rin tayo ng Shack-Shake. Shack-Shake! Mga baby, yun yung basa sa title ng laro. So it's a Chinese horror game, it's a shooting horror game. Shooting horror game! Walang nakakatakot na shooting horror game. Pero balita ko ito yung pinaka-nakakatakot na shooting horror game. So, might as well try ko na din. So, yung mga baby na mapapaya yung pag-ilip lahat, please do the like and subscribe. Let's start! Okay! Okay! So, okay na ako. Walang barrel, mga baby. Find the way to the hospital. Yo, what the heck?
200 pa ako 5. Pero ang dami niyang views. Basta. Ito, sino ba yung balik?
Hello sa mga baby, ako nga pala si Bahay. Takot ako sa horror game.
Lang sa balita. I'm